Alright guys, welcome back to the tutorial. Okay, so we are going to continue with the flyer we're designing. And okay, so let's get straight to the point. So we need to cover. Okay, so today we are going to create a price list for the brand House of Pearl. So I come here to my design. This is the design I'm working on. So I'm going to add a page to this particular design. Alright, so it's downloading. It's downloading. So I come here, just you can add page by either come here and clicking on plus, or when you click here the page is added, or you can simply do that by sliding from your right to your left, and then you have it there added, or you can change the color of whatever it is that you want to do. So this is it. Alright, so first thing I want to do is to get an element get a shape from the element tab. So I'm going to look for rectangle or square to fit in my price list. So I select rectangle, and I just pick this simple one where I can change the color. I change the color to white or black, and then this is it. So I can come here and put it here. I can resize it to any direction I want. So I just come here and I put it here, and I have it like this. Alright, it's looking fine. Anyway, I'm going to work on that. So the next thing I want to do is to add the text. Okay, so I'll give it a heading beaded bags. Alright, so when I'm done, change the font type to Railway. I love that font too. Just giving you some graphic design fonts. I hope you can hear me. So I give it a name, it's Railway. I'm waiting for it to load now. Okay, so beaded bag. I want to change it to Railway. Okay, so I have it as Railway. So I come here and let me reduce the font size. I hope you're following the tutorial. Reduce the font size and I can put it here to make it nice. Beaded bag. Okay, now so I need to price now. I come to plus icon and I go to text, and this time I'm going to add, instead of heading, I'm going to add a subheading. So subheading, I'm going to put vintage bag. Okay, then I have a two-tone. Okay, I can just select everything and put this. Okay, we have this there. I'm going to, you can see now it's on center. I see this, the V and the T are not aligned. As the V in vintage and the T in two tone and that means it's the center. I want to come to the side. Alright, so I have this here. So I move it to my box. So I can resize this one now a little bit. Okay. So I have this way. Have this way so I can or I'm going to repeat, I'm going to duplicate this, I'm going to make more of this. And by the time I come back, you see everything done. I'm just going to repeat the same steps. So by the time I'm back, everything will be alright. Okay, so all done. So now I want to duplicate this thing now, but if I'm using a PC, I can equally just select these items, all of them, and duplicate it by just holding the control key and clicking on each item at a time. But since I'm using a mobile phone, which I'm using a touch screen, what I will do is I will now press on any of the item. So I tap and press, I tap and hold, tap and hold any of them, and then it will select it. Show me select multiple. So I click on select multiple. So now it's showing selected one. You can see the count there. 2, 3. Okay. Let's go again. Select multiple. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so all said and done. So you can group them now. Good. After grouping them, we can now duplicate them. So it's grouped, so let's duplicate it. We have beaded bag. And we have this. Alright, so all I can do now is to ungroup them. So I'll ungroup each item now. And I'm done ungrouping them. So I now come to the next one. I'm done with beaded bag. So now this duplication I did now is to save us the time of typing everything and creating new shapes and all. So I'm going to bridal beads, or let me go to waist speed. Or I can simply just continue the whole thing. I don't need to, I may not need this one. So I can just delete it. But it's a choice anyway. This is just a tutorial guide. So I can equally delete this element. Okay, so I can put a bracelet here. Vintage bracelets. Is anything like that? I don't know. I don't really know there's anything like vintage bracelets. But then we have this. And we have that. So anyway, this is it. We just save this and same thing and we have it like this. So after we have done this, what we can now do is we can equally put our contact details in case someone wants to order. So you can say I duplicated this again, and I can select everything by double tapping on it, and I select all, and then I can type in my order. Okay, contact us. file, contact us via, then I can upload the icons there. And now I can let me duplicate this, and then I can put house of hell. I'll use one bring this down is because I want to put some icons here. So now I want to work with some icons. So I come here and I go to elements, and then I type Facebook. Let's see if they have a Facebook icon. Okay, they have it. Nice. So I come here and I click on which one do I want. Let's use this. So I reduce the size and I can move it. So I can reduce the size very well. So I want to put Facebook, and I come to add, and I want to add Instagram. Instagram. Okay, so you see I'm having issues moving this thing. What I can do now is I can move to this place and put a nudge. You can see this nudge here. It allows me to use my, that's why I'm using a keyboard on a system in computer. So I can direct my shape. Can you see this? So I come here and I put it to align it the way I want it. Okay, so it's centered now. Alright, I think this is fine. And then let me just leave it Facebook and Twitter. Okay, so let me nudge this one too. Go to nudge. House of Pearl. Then let me see if they have WhatsApp. They should have WhatsApp. Beautiful. Can you see that? Haha. I guess you're loving Canva now. Alright, so I want to crop this one because I just need this. And this. Alright, so I reduce the size very well. Okay, I can move this up a little bit. Okay, this gives you some time. Let me pause this video. Alright, so our price list is ready. Can you see this? Nice, right? Okay, so one more thing we need to add is let them know that this is a price list. So let me just come here and type in price list and we're good to go. So I can reduce the size of this guy. Well, you get the point. Alright, so we are good to go. So that brings us to the end of this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.